guys, welcome back to the athomedive YouTube channel. As always, my name is Joey, and today we're in the kitchen doing something fantastic, but it's just a little bit different. Today, we're making Aloo Gobi, and this is my friend Jasan. He's here to help us with that.
Hey guys, it's nice for you having me here, Joey. I appreciate it. I like cooking at home, and I don't get enough vegetables in my diet, so making Aloo Gobi is like one of the ways I can get some veggies into my diet. I hope you guys like it as much as I do.
Alright guys, there you have it. So we're going to jump right in, and just like many things on the channel, it's full of simple, easy to find, easy to use, affordable ingredients. So sit back, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive right in.
Alright guys, let's run through the ingredients. I have one medium onion right here, diced up. 2 medium cloves of garlic. 2 tablespoons of ginger. For our spices, we're going to be using 1 tablespoon of kosher salt, 1 tablespoon of garam masala. We're going to use a teaspoon of turmeric and a heaping tablespoon of tomato paste. You're going to use about 3 potatoes, chopped up as well. 1 large head of cauliflower. And cilantro to your discretion. Put as much as you want. You don't have to add it if you don't want to either. And we'll be using olive oil as well. If you want to make it a little spicy, you can add cayenne pepper. Alright guys, I'm going to start off with virgin olive oil. I'm going to put in about 3 tablespoons. I'm going to start off on high heat. I'm going to let it warm up a little bit before I toss in the onions. I'm just going to let them cook until they're brown. Just kind of stir it around a little bit. Don't let it stick on the bottom. You get burned. Alright, it looks like the onions are cooked enough to the point where I can add in the garlic and the ginger. The garlic tends to stick to the pan if you throw it in too early, so I try to brown the onions before I throw it in. I'm going to just let that fry for a little bit, and then I'll toss in the seasonings. Alright guys, time to throw in the seasoning now that the onions and garlic and ginger are all brown and ready to go. Just gonna let the seasonings wake up before I toss in the potatoes. We're ready to toss the potatoes in now. Potatoes take a little bit longer to cook than the cauliflower, so I usually toss them in and leave them in for about a couple minutes before I toss in the rest. Okay, now that the potatoes have been there for a couple minutes, I'm going to toss in the cauliflower. Just be careful when you stir it, because you don't want to break up the cauliflower. I'm going to try to keep them all whole pieces. Just gently stir it around. At this point, I'll toss in like half a cup of water, then let it simmer for about 10 minutes. Alright guys, we're going to add in the fresh herbs now. Now that everything's done, I don't like cooking the herbs, so I like them being fresh and vibrant. Just gently stir it in. Alright.
And there you have it, Aloo Gobi. Alright, well that wraps us up on the how to make Aloo Gobi video. Thank you so much to Jasan for showing us how his family's made this for generations. Comment below and let us know how yours turned out. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked the video, be sure to subscribe. Have a great day.